today has been a wonderful event, a masterclass, an opportunity to discuss leadership and management and business with a real expert on the subject.
Today I have been speaking for Gower College for a keynote speech. As a leader, I've never thought about what kind of leader I was. I just felt that to make the right decision at the right time with good communication. There are a lot of parallels, but maybe a lot of sport could also learn from business.
We've been fortunate within Sketty Hall Business School to have a vast array of businesses covering a wide spread of experience and specialisms. Building societies, manufacturing companies are with us today. And I think that gives a really good breadth of experience. And I think there's something to learn from everybody, from the experiences that others have, even though they may be working in different industries and different sectors.
I think it's important to get good people around you. That's like building a good team. Getting some mentors so you can have a second opinion on what you're going to do, but have the conviction to do things that you want to do. And the more relationships you have, and good relationships, the more you're going to benefit. I think that, and it's difficult to build relationships, but you need to spend the time to build those relationships. Nothing comes easy. You have to put the hard yards and the hard work in, and then with the hard work, things hopefully will work out for the best.